Hey, what's going on, guys? James here today. Remember, our monster storm drain? Check out how deep that thing is. It's got like a random piece of plastic in there. Don't know what that is doing in there. Get that later. But I can't just forget about storm drain number 1. Right? Just like storm drain number 1 just sitting here. We can't leave it left out. It can't be left out. Storm drain number 2, remember? The shallow one here? Still have our shallow one. So first we're going to have to disassemble pieces of storm drain number 1. I have the one. There's a balloon in the air. There is a random... Look at someone lost a balloon. Hopefully they get that back. I don't think they'll be getting that thing back. Look at that. Wait, watch it. Will it come back? Yo, look at that. It's like a balloon. Someone lost it. Someone lost their balloon. That isn't good. Sorry to the person who lost their balloon. It's gonna come. Watch. That is crazy. Someone just lost their random balloon. That's insane. Isn't that crazy, guys? Anyways, y'all, we're gonna continue doing the sewer system or whatever. We're gonna make storm drain number 2. We're gonna upgrade it and make it very deep. So we're gonna have to disassemble almost entirely our storm drain number 1. So we're gonna remove these pieces. Have to keep them, and we have to always make sure we know where they are, because we're gonna need them to rebuild it. And come on, give me this like plastic piece or whatever. Got it. Like a broken piece of the piano, I guess. You can take that out. Gonna take some of these pieces off. Check that out. Now, oh, check this out. Oh no. Some of it's going inside. Oh my gosh, dude. Check out how buried that was. Now wait, where's our shovel? We gotta keep customizing it. You guys, we gotta finish up the customization on here. Oh, I remember this thing used to be very deep. So this should be easy to remove, this dirt. Because there's actually a hole I dug for it. You have to have gotten it. Come on. You have to make it deep. Oh yeah. There's definitely a hole down there that I dug. Move all that extra dirt. You have to be careful so I don't launch them in our monster hole. Check this out, guys. Made it. Oh no, we launched a lot of dirt inside of our monster hole. This is not good. Inside of our monster storm drain. Like the main storm drain. Like the good one. The better one. Oh, look at this, guys. It's coming out. It's working, y'all. Holy smokes. Wait, this is actually working. Alright, guys. It's pretty... Hopefully Mickey, Minnie, and Goofy don't drop this in here again. They better not, because I'm doing this all for Backyard Town. There we go. Now we can use the hammer. Backyard Town wanted me to fix the storm drain. storm drain number 2. It's just about complete, almost. Oh, wow. This is way wider than it should have been. That's alright, we can fix that easily. Just gotta put the cover on storm drain number 1. The big beast. So now all I need to do is just reassemble it. There we go. Those are all situated. That, look at how deep that storm drain is now. Now all I'm gonna have to do is just make that thing so that it doesn't like flip like that again. So it doesn't like look like it's just a massive hole. I want it to look like a storm drain. So yeah, let's get some stuff from the junkyard, like motherboard thing. We can like add it here. We could like cover it. Oh yeah, that looks good. Some of the dirt is going inside of the storm drain, but that's all right. We have this calculator. Now, get some of the dirt. Use this. Let's cover the calculator. For the calculators. What's that? This one's small storm drain. Not as big as our monster one we have. There we go. I mean, still see the calculator, but it's the best I can do, I guess. That's the best I could do. Alright guys, I'm gonna pour a little small amount of dirt on that part. There. Now storm drain number 2 has been restored and repaired. Now this one's like a ground one again. Finally, you guys. If anything goes in that storm drain, it'll never come out ever again, I don't think. That'll take the longest possible time to open that thing. We might have to call Backyard Town Professional if anything gets in there. At least it fixed. At least we have 2 storm drains now.